my beard. What's up, DCV fam? Man, I gotta show y'all this truck. What in tarnation is this thing here? What in tarnation is you guys doing down here? Oh, this boy got a 4x4 with a 4x4
On a 4x4.
on a 4x4. So they didn't want to lift the truck, so we just did a 2-inch lift on the bed.
Yeah, did a body.
Yeah, did that 2x4 body lift, treated.
Okay.
Treated wood.
Treated wood. Okay.
Treated lift.
Is it from Lowe's or Home Depot?
Man, Stein's
Man, that's
running
a size 2-inch body lift, you know?
Okay. Well, here's something you don't see every day. This is what we call a massive all leak. Jesus Christ. We gonna just keep putting fluid in it. Check it out. Hey, what we gonna call this thing, Trace? The ex-wife? The ex-wife. So we call this the ex-wife. So this is what happens after a divorce. This is the truck you get. Boy, this thing look like it done yanked every trailer ever known to man. What the hell? Can I open this?
That's when we go fishing.
Jesus.
Keep the bait fish right there.
Man, and this is real vitamin water. So Trace is calling his new company truck the ex-wife. Oh, we gotta check out, we gotta see the interior. Let me close this. I ain't do that. All right, let's see what we got. What the hell? I got a grab, bro. We ain't got no handle. Hey, that's when you running off with a cut, off of a cut from a job site, and they can't get it. Oh, damn, bro. This look like something off of Mad Max.
Radio works though.
Jeez.
Radio, AC, and speakers work.
Oh, bro, did somebody get murdered in this thing? This look like Freddy Cougar truck, bro. Hey, bro, 2,500. I'll buy this truck too. First time I did that? There we go, classic Chevy, baby. And this thing is classic.
One of them does.
Hey, that's like that 100,000-pound hitch you got on this sucker, boy. You can yank whatever you want to yank. I don't know if them boards can handle that. It's a lot of pressure on them boards. Uh-oh, somebody got in trouble. Lake Charles PD. Oh, ain't looking good for this guy. He must have did something real bad. I need to get a better angle, just in case something pop off. What you doing, Devin?
Man, I'm sweating over here, man. They got me nervous. I ain't even did nothing.
My boy Egg about to cook it up. We about to cook it up Puerto Rican style around this piece. We got Devin on the 1s and 2s. Check them out. Wow. These things are homemade. What we use? Rat meat? That's rat meat?
Beef with cheese.
We calling it beef today. That's alley rat. Hold up, man. Let's fix our tablecloth, bro. We got our Keystone tablecloth.
No, we got a little.
See how nice and neat in the kitchen, whipping up like a stir fry. Back in the lab, bro. We got this enclave that got whacked in the back. He's gonna weld a tab right here, hook it to the frame rack, pull all this out, get it all nice, and then we're gonna cut this panel off and weld a new one on. All that's bent in there. Got a Pop-Tart in case you get hungry. Hey, they got a Pop-Tart in there, bro. I'll be damn. Look at this.
Oh, he's back.
That little bastard is back,
He
bro.
is back. Yep.
Look at it. Bro, he jumped down on my, man, that little sucker. This dude jumped off of here like a meerkat. He got on the Mercedes. Bro, like, why you gotta jump on the cars, bro? This dude went all the way across this car, bro. This raccoon must die. We've been having issues with this raccoon for about a year. And about 6 months ago, we was shutting down.
Everything was
And he dove clean off the top of this area right here. And as you can see, last night, he did the same thing on my vest. Look, Pissy. Pissy! Pissy got his hunting gear on. He hunting. So this dude dove off top of here onto my car, ran down my car. Then he goes, that ain't good enough. I'm gonna really show them I hate them and I hate this shop. He hates me or something. He jumps on the customer's car. Thank God he didn't scratch it. He had to find some food. Man, the raccoon struck again, bro.
Come on, man.
Oh no, look at his tracks. He jumped up, walked right here, walked up the windshield, sat on the roof for some odd reason, and then went right back down.
Yeah.
And then he turned. Look, no, he came back down.
And he came back down. Yeah. We gotta name this dude, bro. We gonna call him Ezel. Ezel the raccoon.
I was thinking more like Timothy.
Nah, Ezel. I got a friend of mine who has a dog that specializes Like he's like a Navy SEAL when it comes to raccoons. I'm about to get him in here, take care of this raccoon, get him out of my shop. Man, what you doing, bro?
Grapes.
Show me how you eat that thing, man. Hot Pockets.
Because I eat, because I'm unhappy. I'm happy when I eat.
Oh, I know you are.
YouTube, I want to show y'all pretty much this SUV here, Enclave. I showed y'all earlier how bad it was. It's a lot worse than we thought, so cut this piece here off. This is what it's supposed to look like here, but my tech had to cut all of the outer. This is the inner structure here. So we're gonna cut this whole little piece here out. All this is coming out. They had another plate right here we had to cut out, as you can see. But look at all this insulation. All this insulation in here. We gotta get all that out of there before we weld, because it'll catch fire and burn up pretty bad. What is this guy doing?
Huh?
What you tearing up?
No, it's like I didn't dolly this straight. Yeah, it's kind of like sitting high. It's because it's like this.
Oh,
So I
okay.
gotta kind of beat it back down.
Oh, okay.
It's all good.
It's gonna hold it like
So
that.
is this door closed? So that's closed. So we good here, here, here. It's poking out, but it's, oh no, that's weird. Kind of just taking a stroll around the shop and see what we tearing up over here. What's that? What happened, Keith?
No more pinatas, no more peignets, whatever that shit. Dog, tell me.
all your now later.
Dog, tell me, clean you out, son. You want to get cleaned out? Devin
Chicken or the pizza?
I had the
Enjoying
pizza.
myself.
Devin just stuck.
Bro, get off my portable charger, man.
What?
So Snap-on just came out with this portable charger.
You can curl.
They at least could have put it in a
and charge your phone
backpack.
the same-
There you
get some
go.
curls on.
Bruh,
at the
get
same
Get your little
time.
workout in while you charge.
If my bike ever died, I could jump start it.
You're supposed to wait till after.
Hey, this is Devin, y'all. This is the star on the channel. You know, I'm just the host. He's the star.
I do know my left from my right.
Talking about
Portable. Something that vibrate.
improvising. What's in the bag, Devin?
Nothing.
Let me see.
No, man.
Come on, bro. What's in the bag?
All right, portable charger. Here we go. All right, look at that right there.
Military edition.
Yeah.
About to do a little walk around on the shop, show y'all what we got going on. Got these two yo-yos over here, not working. Uh-oh. What'd you say? This is my co-star, man.
Bruh.
Devin, the co-star.
Man, get off the.
What we doing to this thing, bro?
The bumper off of it. Already got the doors pulled off of it. Swap the door out. Did a little repair on the rear door.
Cool. Got the bag over, keep the customer car clean. That's what's up. Putting a used door on it. This is what the insurance company wanted, so that's what we putting on it. So we had a couple of dents we had to fix on it. Got that knocked out. D, where you going? D following me, y'all. He following me. He want to be on camera so bad. I told him he gonna be on camera. I'm gonna have to get him a haircut. Can't be having it. I know y'all remember this thing. Got the new quarter on it. All the body work looking good on it. Seam sealed. The seam sealer's gonna still wet, but this is what protects it from getting all the moisture inside. Get Devin to clean that up. Got all the interior out of this thing. We put new airbags in it. As you can see, we gotta fully disassemble these cars. But don't worry, Devin's a professional. All right, y'all remember this Escalade? How pretty that thing came out. Waiting on a headlight for that side, and we're gonna get this bad boy ready to go. Pretty much it's a normal Monday. Raining outside, so can't really do much. Gonna be a rainy week. Get these cars out of here. Make sure everything's perfect on them. Pretty much it. I appreciate y'all checking out. Day at the shop. Just having a normal day. I got everything that I do here. I have to come in, waiting on emails, insurance companies. Got estimates we're doing here. I got paper all over the place. Trying to get all this stuff organized. Typical Monday.